Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Photoshop CC 2019 tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to get rid of wrinkles very quickly, very easily. Guys, just follow along with me. Let's just get right into this. I've got a picture here of a, middle-aged guy, and quite frankly, his wrinkles are very small and limited. But I want to demonstrate the technique, so I'm just going to zoom in a bit, and if you look closely, yeah, there's a little bit of wrinkly here, so let's just get rid of it, and let me show you how. First step, you want to click on your layer, and now you want to go down to the bottom here, and you want to create a new layer. This way, we're working non-destructively, and we're working on a separate layer, so you can actually blend them in with opacity at the end. I'll show you how to do that. The second step that I want you to do is I want you to go over here to the left side or wherever your toolbar is, and I want you to select the Spot Healing Brush tool. Now, do note that the Healing Brush tool also works for this type of work, but I'm going to show you how to do it using the Spot Healing Brush tool because it's a little bit easier. Now, the third step, and this is the step that you'll probably get tripped up on. If there's anything that's going to throw you for a loop, it's this one because it happens to me a lot, but you need to make sure that you're sampling all layers. We need to do that because we're going to be working on the top layer here, and if this isn't selected, then you're only going to be working on the blank layer. That's not going to work. So this way we can work on the layer underneath it because we're sampling all layers. Alright, with all of that mumbo jumbo out of the way, you're going to notice here that this is the size of my healing brush. I'm going to decrease the size here, and I'm using the left and right square bracket key. Those are right beside the P if you're on a Mac, and I think that's the same place for a PC keyboard. So I'm going to reduce the size to about this. And again, this is the Spot Healing Brush tool. Now, it's very simple. You just want to kind of gloss over top of it, and boom, you're going to see that these wrinkles, that one there, are pretty much going away. Now, this is actually working quite good. I like to do smaller strokes and do them, I'll do them twice if I have to, as opposed to doing it all at once. But here, let's get rid of these little things underneath his eyes here. Again, this is probably not what I would do if this was going live in like a magazine or something like that. But again, this is just to demonstrate the technique. Now, I'll show you really quickly here what we've done. This is the original, and now this is the new. Now, a lot of you guys are thinking, well, that might be a little bit overdone. And I would agree with you. So what you want to do is you want to go up here to the opacity slider, and you want to maybe dial it back a bit. So if you do that, let's say if we go down to 0%, again, nothing happened. If we go to 50%, well, you're about halfway there. Now this, of course, is totally up to you, and you can season this to your taste depending on the look that you're going for. But if we go with 70%, let's see what the original, and now this is the modified version. Guys, this is really all you got to do to get rid of wrinkles inside of any portrait. That's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I got a lot more stuff coming up. Be back soon.